For the first time ever, I am traveling internationally to Nigeria with just my backpack and my carry-on suitcase. I found 15,000 naira in one of my wallets, so that's going to get me from Muritala Mohammed International Airport to local, maybe grab some food. I also did some transfers. I transferred USD into Naira on the Sendwave app from my US bank account into my Nigerian bank account. So I am ready to go. This is a content trip for us. We're going to be shooting a lot of content around business, investments. I'm going to be talking to a lot of the locals, check out some projects, capture some footage there as well, and just give you guys some on the ground, insightful content from Nigeria. I'm at the Muritala Mohammed International Airport. I've decided going forward on all business trips, travel light. A backpack and a carry-on suitcase. I don't have to deal with baggage claim. All I have to do is go through passport control and be on my way. So it was a fun flight. I flew from Vegas to Washington, D.C. and Washington, D.C. to Lagos, Nigeria. Can't wait to get my trip started. Whew, Nigeria heat.
I'd love to transition into...
How much?
$1.
Yeah.
1,630.
Is that your best price?
If not transfer, if not cash, I will buy it 1,650 last.
This is the beginning of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. So this is where it starts, huh? Like I promised you guys, I was gonna come here and get you guys some authentic content. And this is the beginning. Isaac is behind it. That's where it starts. And it's going to cut across Lagos, Ogun State, through the bottom belt of the country to Calabar. So driver, what is your thoughts on the project? What's the sentiment? What are Nigerians saying about it?
First exit onto Jose Adeogun Street.
But one thing is that it will bring a lot of development to the areas that it passes through.
I see.
Yeah.
Which is all you can hope for. You know, development leads to job creation.
Yeah. And economic activities.
Economic activity, that's the most important thing. It's one thing when you are learning about this project online or through the media. It's another thing to actually be on ground, to see it live and in action. It looks amazing. What I'm seeing, or what I've seen so far, looks really good. Looks really, really good. I'm very impressed with that. Very, very impressed. Wow, this is Lagos, guys. This is Lagos for you. The Lagos that should be shared with the world. Okay.
Exit the roundabout onto Jose Adeogun Street. Continue on Jose Adeogun Street for 1 kilometer.
This is the freeway right here, guys. This is it. This is it. Look at that. They have trucks passing through. Let me see if I can cut through this middle lane. When I tell you guys that I'm gonna bring you authentic content live from the ground as it's happening, I meant every word. I'm here in Lagos, standing right here at the multi-lane coastal highway. There's a truck right there. $12 billion project. Look at all those cranes. And also I should add that this is the landmark site that was demolished to make way for the Lagos-Calabar coastal highway that I think should be rebranded to the Atlantic Coastal Highway. That's just my point of view. Good afternoon. Far ahead, that is the Atlantic Ocean. I'm going to end this here, and I'm going to continue to monitor this project. I think it's a great thing for the country. Due to the, okay. So I'm told that businesses here were shut down and closed down in Oniru Beach because of the activities of the coastal highway. But I think overall, it's still a great investment for the country. Something had to give, and a lot of the residents here in Oniru Beach lost their businesses. A lot of these were at one point structures that was demolished to make way for the coastal highway. My name is Rich in Bereket, guys. Check out my website, bereket.com. Be sure to like, share, and comment. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe for more actionable, insightful content, original content from Nigeria. I am a Nigerian-born, US-based entrepreneur. I'm based in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I travel to Nigeria regularly for business, investments, and strategic partnerships. And this project, this Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project, is something that I've been interested in for quite some time. We have a construction rental equipment business in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, where we rent cement mixers, compactors, and brick machines to support construction projects in the state.